everyone and welcome, and today we're going to be looking at how to cancel auto renewal on Glow. Now we're going to be using the SMS method. Now here are the steps to take to cancel auto renewal through SMS. First of all, open your message service on your phone and then create a new message, and you have to type cancel and send it to 127. So this is 127. Then you type in your message cancel and you send it. It's as simple as that. So once you've done that, you will receive a confirmation from Glow that auto renewal has been disabled. Now note that once you've disabled auto renewal, you can still use the data until the current plan expires. Then you must subscribe to a new plan, as subscription will not be automatically renewed. And in the event of opting out of your auto renewal, you must manually renew your data plan when it expires. It is imperative to monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected charges. And you will not receive a refund for your unused data if you cancel the auto renewal service on Glow before your current data plan ends. Therefore, you must plan accordingly to avoid losing your current data at an impulsive decision. Do not cancel auto renewal close to the renewal date, because you may be charged for the next data subscription cycle if you cancel auto renewal on the plan's renewal date. Therefore, it is better to cancel auto renewal at least 24 hours before the plan's expiration date. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.